Hey everybody, good to see you all. Not that I can really see you, but you know what I mean. I'm in my model room, of course, and I have to do some rearranging. And not to mention that this place is just a dump. Really, it's just it gets piled up, and so things start to get piled up in the way, and then where you usually put stuff, you can't put it, so you put it somewhere else, and so on and so forth. It just becomes a compounded disaster. This shelf right here is where my older kits are at, but there is a shelf. If you'll notice, there's how would I do this? Right here, right there is a shelf. That shelf causes a lot of disruption because it messes me up. Obviously there is the shelf right here that they're all sitting on. Then there's a secondary shelf. I'm going to remove that, so I'm going to take all these kits down, because what happens is it ends up being about a kit worth of loss that I can't get another kit right there, and then I can't get another kit up there. By the way, that's my homemade air conditioning duct, if you're wondering what that was. I've got a package unit on the roof of this thing. It gets hot in this baby, so I have to cool it off. And there's my homemade duct. But anyway, I got to do that. So I'm gonna set the camera up. And it's like, okay, so I'm gonna take all these down. Where the heck am I gonna put them? So I got to pile them up on these countertops. But once I get that, because I kind of have kits coming in quite often, and I might even get a few in today in the mail, so I've got to make room. Remember, I've run out of room. I've totally run out of room. You can't squeeze but so much. I might could get another kit over right there. I don't know. I'm running out of space. Running way out of space. I have to hang my RC cars from the ceiling. But I'm going to work on that. I even had to put some IMC kits, those recent ones that I got. They're stuck over here in the corner because there's nowhere to put them. So hopefully I can free up some space up here. Yeah, see, this side too is just completely maxed out. I have to figure something out. And I don't want to put them down low because they'll get kicked or dirty or something like that. So anyway, I'm about to dig into this, take all these kits down, take that shelf out. Then I know that it's not good to stack too many on top of each other, but I have no other choice. So we're gonna these are like what, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I don't have any. It's not too much in my personal opinion. It's not. I'm not putting the old worn out boxes on the bottom either. So anyway, all right, let me get to it. I'm gonna set the camera up, then I'm gonna start disassembling this wall, and we'll see what we can do with it. Stand by. All right, let's get started. Hey, don't judge me. I got my work clothes on. I don't dress up when I'm home. So I wear my old stained up clothes. Oil got spilled on my shirt. My hat is nasty. But anyway, here we go. Okay. Love me some 48 Fords. Testers IMC. But dang, these boxes take up a lot of space. I'm gonna have a problem putting all these somewhere. I think these testers are just the neatest kits. I don't know. Again, it's a nostalgia thing. I remember seeing Daddy with that box when he built his, and any tester's kit now just like grabs my attention. Like the 911 I'm working on here. I gotta get some paint on that, by the way. I haven't painted it yet. By the time you see this video, it may have already been painted. I don't know. And now the 48 IMCs. I got junk everywhere. And some metal cars. Got the two metal. I got the two metal Corvettes, and then Rick over at Rusty Rotors, he sent me that metal 56 T-Bird. Cool kit. Old first release of the 22 Budweiser 23T right there. That's neat. Still in the package. See, what happens is I have to move all this junk to over here to put this down, but then when I get here I got to move that junk somewhere else. So I am I ain't got the best organizing skills. Oh well. And there's the old Palmer 64 T-Bird, and there's the original 23 Depot hack and the original police car. Those are both sealed and original releases there. I like to keep like my kind of like the makes of cars together, but it becomes pointless whenever you don't have any room to put the stuff. There's the 23 delivery van. That's also original release. I've already shown everybody. I've already done videos on all these, but like haul videos. And then I got one right here. Oh, Sean, scale model car guy. He went over to George Wood's house the other day, and they pick on me about opening up kits. I don't care. Pick on me. I got one of those Prestige. So George Wood's. You didn't have to open that kit. I had one I'd open and show you the insides of it right there. I've had this one since I was a kid. This is a Corvair 1988. I was a kid in 1988. Another one of them B16 Cadillacs. Oh yeah. Alright, there's the top rope. Oh dang, I've got stuff. I got stuff on the shelf. The shelf is wider, so it goes beyond these kits here. So I've got RC cars over here. I got some die-cast and some other stuff over here. Oh, geez. Oh, well, I'll get all this other stuff down. Here's that Old Timers kit, that wooden model that I got. That's pretty neat. These are childhood memories right here. That's childhood memories. Shoot, all these are childhood memories. Sort of. Ain't that why we do it? I mean, I do. It is fun. It is fun to build model kits, but it's like that nostalgia of, hey, I remember seeing that when I was a kid. I remember my dad building that one. I remember seeing these as a kid. These Street Demons series. Too cool. I built that '59 Ford Galaxy right there when I was a kid. I don't remember it being a multi-piece body, but it was. I bet I glue bombed the mess out of it. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to fast forward this thing. I got to turn the air on too. It's hot up in here, so it won't be so noisy. But I'm going to do a kind of a time lapse. We'll get this all broken down. I'll come back when we get to going back together with it. I don't know if you consider this a fail or not. I eliminated the shelf, and I was able to take those kits that were right here, those IMC, there were like 5 of them, and I did add those, but then dang, now all those won't fit. It's like a truly though, it's these testers kits, because they take up so much darn room. They're just so wide. But I want them up there. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Looks like I'm gonna have to tear down this wall here and try to. I don't know. I don't know. It's a mystery. We love to hoard. I love to hoard them. I just don't. Man, dang! I'm running out of room. But it's like, so do you quit? No, shoot, no. You just find other places to stack them, stick them. I mean, okay, this one, like right here, for instance, these don't quite mean, these are newer kits. I mean, I could see them going down up under a shelf or something, but I don't know. Don't know. But I know this, I thought was going to save tons of room. It didn't. Tone this down a little bit. Yeah, so I don't know, guys. Just thought I would just like bring you along for this little rearrange, and I thought I was going to be a hero, but this thing's tracing it won't focus on anything but my face. But anyway, there we go. That right there stuff, it's my pride and joy, but it's like I don't know. And then my air conditioning duct, right there, this is so backwards, that thing gets right in the way. I didn't think about it when I installed that air conditioning up there. It keeps the place cool, and I had to have some way to blow the air down except just straight out of the ceiling. I wanted to deflect it a little bit, but it takes up a lot of space. It really messed it up and made an eyesore, but I don't know what else to do. It is a shipping container. I mean, it's a steel shipping container, so what do you do? Anyway, alright guys, well, thank you for watching this video. Don't unsubscribe because it was so boring, I pray. Hey, at the filming of this video, I'm 12 subscribers, or I guess I could say I was 12 subscribers away. At the filming of this video, 9,988, and I hadn't looked at it in a couple hours, so maybe it's a few more. Can't wait to hit 10,000. Going to have a giveaway, something. Going to do something special. Don't know exactly right now what it is because I have a hard time focusing. I'm the squirrel, the kind of guy, and when I think, you know, I need to think about what am I going to give away, and then I forget that I'm supposed to be doing that because I saw something that caught my attention, and that's how Matthew's world is. But I am going to do something, I just don't know what. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you all for supporting me now. 2.5 years. It's great. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. 2.5. It's 2020, January 2020. So January 2023 will be 3 years. So 2.5 years. You've been there. You've stuck with me. Some left. More came than left. And it's been great. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Like the video. Tell me how I should have, what you should have done this, Matthew. I probably should have, more than likely. But don't forget to go to Hobby Nut Models as well. Go check out Mark's inventory over there. Great stuff. Link in the description below. Teespring store, Patreon, Facebook, all those things are down below. Also, go check out my new channel. Linked in the description below. Go over there and give me a sub if you hadn't already. I appreciate it. It's not a model related channel, but it's a channel. So anyways, in my spare time I like to do other things too. What spare time? For real. That's what my wife says. Anyway, alright guys, thanks for watching. See you later, and hey, I'll figure this out. No problem. See you. Bye. Hey, so it's the next morning. Yeah, I said I was gonna try to continue to work on this mess. I did. I figured something else out. So remember, I had all that. All these were it's like I did the rearranging. It was still pretty much the same situation, but without a shelf. So I was like, what can I do? Where can I put them? Remember, I had back here, maybe you do remember, I had all those die casts. They belonged to my dad, and I've got them in those cases. Well, those have now found a home behind here because there's space. The shelf is deep enough. There's space behind it, so I've got all those nice and neatly stacked back there, and that way I freed up these shelves so I can put, guess what, more model cars. Yeah, so I went in and moved my NASCAR kits over here. There's some tanks and stuff that was really hidden. Now they're over here. Tanks and airplanes. Who would do that? Who would even build an airplane or a tank? But I had to put a few sideways, like these sideways. Yeah, so anyway, it's looking good. So I'm glad that I was able to, I wasn't satisfied. And when you're not satisfied, you need to keep on pursuing the solution. So that's what I did. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you later.